ومفخرة، بين النجوم وفي القلوب موقرة. أعوام عزك لا تشيخ وتمحي، أنت البهاء وأنت الآسرة. قلم الحياة هناك يعرف مجده والفكر والقراءة.
My dear students from my school, grade 6, welcome back again in a new lesson today. Module 3, Phonics. This is a student book, page number 39, or book page 106, week 11. Let's start first with the objectives of the lesson. The first objective is to practice the pronunciation of consonant NK, NG, CK at the words drink, long, and clock. Second objective is to identify new vocabulary. Number 3, to play a guess game. Okay. Let's start with the vocabulary first. Listen and say. Try to listen these words carefully and say it again with yourselves. Let's start with NK. Ank. Look at this picture. Can you guess with me what is this picture is? Or what is she doing now in this picture? Yes. Drink. This drink. Second picture. Bank. This NK. NG. The words. The first one. Look at this girl. Look at his hair. Her hair. It's long. NG. Long. Long. Second picture. Pouring. 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 CK. CK. Look at this picture. The word here is clock. 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 Second picture. Look at this boy. He's kick. Kick. He's kicking the ball, for example. Workbook page 106. Some exercises here. Listen, say, and circle the word that doesn't belong. This is bank, long, drink. Which one is odd out? Yes, that's right, my dear boy. The different one or odd one is long. Number 2, long, boring, bank. Which one? That's right, my dear student. It's bank is different now because the ending NG, NG, and NK. Number 3, drink, kick, clock. Which one is different? This is NK, CK, CK. That's right. As you said, it's drink. Number 4, clock, drink, bank. The different one is, yes, that's right. As you said, my dear students, it's a clock. It's a clock. Now, listen, say, and write the missing letter. NK, NG, CK. This picture is LO, so it will be long. CLO, so it will be clock. CK, that's right. Again, DRI, look at this picture carefully and try to complete with NK, NG, or CK. That's right, my dear student. It will be NK, so it is drink. CK, kick, that's right. Pouring, NG. Pank, that's right. Find and circle, then write. Look at these crosswords. Look at this girl. Which one? That's right, it will be drink. Drink. That's right. Number 2. Look at this picture and try to find the words in from these pictures. Yes, it will be bank. So the word here will be bank. That's right. Picture number 3. Look at this girl. Can you form or find the word from these letters here? Yeah, with NG, so it will be, yes, that's right, it will be long. It will be long. Look at this boy. We want a word here with starting with NG from these letters, so it will be, I think, pouring. That's right, pouring. Picture number 4. Look at this boy. We need a word that ends with CK, so it will be kick. That's right. So the word is kick. This picture, yes, clock. It will be clock. It will be clock. Thank you and goodbye. See you later in new lessons. Goodbye, my dear students.
المجد رمز للعلوم ومفخرة بين النجوم وفي القلوب موقرة أعوام عزك لا تشيخ وتمحي أنت البهاء وأنت الآسرة قلم الحياة هناك يعرف مجده والفكر